Mia's brother left home on a rainy night. At first, the family thought he was angry. But when Mia found the letter under his pillow, everything changed.
Where is Noah? His bed is empty.
Noah? Are you in the bathroom?
Noah's backpack is gone too.
Mom, I'm scared. Where did he go?
Stay calm, Mia. We will find your brother.
One day before, Mia's family was very stressed. Mia's dad had just lost his job. His mom worked late every day. And Noah, Mia's brother, became more and more quiet.
Noah, do you want to play chess with me? Not now, Mia. I'm a little tired. You are always tired. Are you okay? I'm okay. Don't worry about me.
Dinner is ready. Everyone, come eat.
I looked for work all day, but there is no good news.
It's okay. We will get through this.
Can I help?
You only need to study well.
But I want to help our family.
You are too young. You don't understand this.
I am not a little kid anymore.
Noah, I am very tired. Please don't argue with me.
I only want to help.
If you really want to help, stop making everyone worry. Dad said that because he was tired and worried. But Noah felt very sad.
So I only make everyone worry?
Noah, your dad didn't mean that.
It's okay, Mom. I understand. Noah, don't be sad. I'm okay, Mia. You should go to sleep.
That night, Noah could not sleep. He looked at the bills on the kitchen table. He thought about his dad, his mom, and his little sister.
Maybe Uncle David can help Dad find a job. I will go see him. I will come back soon.
Noah wrote a letter to Mia. Then he put it under his pillow. While it was still dark, Noah quietly left the house.
I'm sorry, everyone. I only want to help.
Noah's phone is still here.
He should not leave home like this.
He is not bad, Dad. Noah would not leave without a reason.
I said too much last night.
The most important thing now is to find Noah.
I want to check his room. Maybe he left something.
Mia went into Noah's room. She sat on his bed and looked at his pillow.
What is this?
Mia saw a white envelope under his pillow.
It says, for Mia when you wake up.
Mia, what did you find?
It is Noah's letter.
Read it, Mia.
Dear Mia, I am sorry I left without saying goodbye. I am not angry at Mom and Dad. I am not angry at you. I only want to help our family. I will go to Uncle David's town. Maybe he can help Dad find a new job. Please don't cry. I will call when I arrive. I love you, Noah.
Oh, my Noah.
I was wrong. He left because he wanted to help us.
We must go to the bus station now.
I am going too. I want to find Noah.
The family hurried to the bus station.
It was still raining a little.
Could Noah be on a bus already?
I don't know. We will ask the worker. Excuse me, did you see a 9-year-old boy with a blue backpack? Yes. That boy asked for the bus to Green Hill.
Has that bus left yet?
No, the bus is at Gate 3.
Gate 3. Hurry, Mom and Dad.
Mia ran toward Gate 3.
And then she saw Noah.
Noah. Mia? Why are you here?
Noah, my dear, you made me so worried.
I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't want to make you cry.
Noah, I am sorry.
You don't need to be sorry, Dad. I only wanted to help.
Yes, I need to be sorry. You are my son, not a burden to this family.
But I heard you say I make everyone worry.
I was wrong. I was too tired and too scared. But I love you more than any job or any bill.
We are a family. We will solve this together.
Noah, next time you must tell me. I am your sister. I'm sorry, Mia. I thought I had to be strong alone. No one has to be strong alone in our family.
Now, let's go home.
But Uncle David can help you, Dad.
We can call him together. But you do not need to go alone.
Yes, Dad. I understand.
Noah hugged his parents and Mia very tightly. He no longer tried to hide his sadness alone. That evening, the family sat together in the living room.
I called Uncle David.
He said tomorrow he will help Dad find some places hiring.
Really?
Really. And this time, we do everything together.
Family is a team, right?
Yes, Mia. Family is a team.
I am sorry I left home.
Thank you for coming back to us.
But next time, please tell us before you go. I promise.
From that day, Noah learned an important lesson. When there is a problem, silence does not make things better. Talking, listening, and love help a family become closer.
Family is not perfect.
But family does not give up on each other.
I love you all. We love you too, Noah.
Sometimes, a person leaves not because they stop loving. They leave because they carry worry in their heart. So listen before you judge. And remember, family is always a place to come home to.